of my eye. Girl, I never loved one like you.